Kilig to astig! Real quick, si Sparkle Opa Kim Jisoo na may gagampan ng exciting role sa Task Force Firewall. Ichichika yan ni Nelson Canlas.
My boss, he's Korean too.
Kung sa romantic comedy series na Love Siargao, kasama sa mga nagpakilig si Sparkle Opa Kim Jisoo. Sa kanyang pagbabalik sa GMA Prime, sa action genre naman siya sa sabak bilang si Dong Hyun sa Task Force Fireball.
Compared to past role, I did several action show in GMA, but this one also action, but this one is, I can say, is a real villain.
Hindi nga raw ina-expect ni Jisoo na ma-excite ng sobra as he takes on a kontrabida role sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon.
I feel very excited. It's my first time to do real villain, which is bad guy. I'm so excited.
Unfamiliar territory daw kasi ang role na ito dahil goody-goody ang mga roles na nagawa niya before.
For this show, I want to show my new side of character. Like more like bad villain. Yeah, that's what I want to show in this project.
At dahil cold, calculating at emotionally guarded si Dong Hyun, talagang pinaghandaan ni Jisoo ang role.
This role is not just like typical human. I watched a lot of movies about the bad guy characters, so I studied like that.
Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happening.